number 10. Number 10, we can learn about the propeller. Hello Navigator. In this video, I am going to talk about various parts of the ship. This is kind of a basic familiarization, so I hope you will enjoy this video. And we are gonna learn about 10 parts of the ship. So let's start from the beginning. You can see there is a deck. This is this one. This is called main deck. Okay, and above this main deck there are container cargo. You can see ships are named as per the type of cargo it is carried, so we can say this is a container ship. We have learned about the main deck. Now the next one we will talk about this part. You can see there is a building. This is the place where ship's crew stay, and on top of this building, this is called bridge from where ships are navigated. So this one will mark as number 2. Okay, this is number 1 we talked about, and we learned that this is main deck, and this number 2 is accommodation. Okay, now next, just behind this accommodation we can see a kind of triangular shaped, this is called funnel, from where the exhaust gas of the main engine goes away. So we can mark it as number 3, and we can keep record ship's funnel. Okay, now the next part I want to talk about the forward part and the aft part of the ship. This is the forward part, of course, and this is the aft part. And you know, the way it is understood is very simple. This is called forward and this is called aft. So we will write forward number 5, aft. Afterwards, or in short, it is called aft. Now, as you can see, this vessel is on the water, and we understand this is the water line, and below there is some part which is submerged. So this whole part, this full body, is named as hull of the ship. Okay, this is the one which carry all the other parts of the ship within the shell. So this is called hull. Here, number 6. Okay, we learned main deck, accommodation, funnel, and then forward part, aft part, and the hull of the ship. And now we want to know which is the bridge from where ships is navigated. As I told you before as well, this is the one. Number 7, we can mark it. This is the one. This is the room from where ships are navigated. Then the next one, of course, you want to know about where is engine room, I believe. So this is the one, engine room, part of which remains above the water line and part of which also remains below the water line. This is the water line. Okay, so this is called engine room. We can mark it as number 8. So number 8 will be, better we mark inside. So number 8, we have learned about the engine room. Now look, we have learned about the forward part and the aft part and the bridge, engine room. So now maybe we can learn about the right side of the ship and the left side of the ship. If you consider the ship is divided from right at the middle, following the fore and aft, then the right side will be termed as starboard side, and the left side will be termed as port side. So we can write number 9, and this is considered seen from the bridge to forward. That means on my right side it will be starboard side, and on my left side it will be port side. Now the last one of this topic, number 10. Number 10, we can learn about the propeller and using what the ships actually move. And you know the main purpose of main engine which is inside, it actually turns the propeller which is remain outside of the engine room and outside of the hull, ship's hull. And due to the rotation of this propeller, it gives a thrust. Actually I should show you below waterline, of course. The thrust that is created for the rotation of this propeller, the ship moves ahead. With the rotation, it gives a thrust on the ship's hull. So I think this is enough for the very beginning stage of this familiarization. Better we'll cover in the next video or rest few things which is a little bit next level, you can say. So thank you so much for watching this video and hope you have enjoyed, and also hope to see you in next video.